mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob. Put that shit on the mob. What the though? Where the love go? Ooh, crap check.
No offense, but I really don't like those.
You don't like these?
No.
You killing me today, huh?
Yeah.
She can say I got on ugly shoes today, y'all. Yeah, man, we in Pembroke Mall right now, and we're gonna head to Hot Topic Mall.
Yeah. Yeah. Mob. Hey, watch me put the mob on the motherfucking map. Yeah, watch me put the mob on the motherfucking map. Yeah, watch me put the mob on the motherfucking map. Watch me put the
mob. So yeah, bro, we are in Hot Topic, and check this out, bro. Captain America vs. Thanos. Mob. So yeah, we actually got off some. We got something. So look at this, bro. Yeah, Hot Topic got heat, bro. Y'all pull up. Mob.
Remember that show I let you watch?
What show?
Ruby.
Ruby. Oh, that was like the anime.
Yeah.
Word. We're gonna have to check that later. Okay. What character is that?
Like Ruby was the main character.
It's the main character.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to watch it again. I remember the theme song and all that. She looked cool in there too. Oh, okay. Chica might be putting us on something new. Chica putting us on game, Mob. Let's hit the next spot, man.
mob on the motherfucking map. Hey, I'm just putting the mob on the map. But what I hate to say, making sure the end straight. In the whip, make a play. I'm just putting the mob on the map. But what I hate to say, making sure the end straight.
So word, Mob, we in Target now, broski. Gonna check out some pops, man. I hope I can find a Wayne and a Garth, or my feelings are gonna be hurt. Oh, look, Mariah Carey. Hey. Greg, Brady. What's up?
Get along with each other.
Ha, there you go. Go a razor. But yeah, man. I'm finna dig, bro. Check back in with y'all in a sec. Mob, what it do, broski? We got no pops from Target, didn't see anything there. But it is 2 more places we got to check. We got a Walgreens, and we got a GameStop. And I wanted to swing by Barnes & Nobles to see if they had any more of the Miles Morales pops. So yeah, man, that's the move. Y'all ride with us, Mob. We at the next location, man. About to see what Walgreens got on the pop game. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that right, chicken?
Yeah.
Mob. Ah, that didn't work. Bang. And we found Walgreens pops, and they don't have many at all.
Gwen.
Pull it out. What is this little ugly thing?
I don't know.
Oh. Walgreens exclusive, though. Oh, it's a bobble.
Yep.
That's dope.
Spider.
I don't think it's nothing we want to hear, chick.
There's Five Nights at Freddy's.
Yeah. Next. Yo, Chicky Beezy came through in the clutch. You know what I'm saying? We was on our way to GameStop then. She was like, hey, F.Y.E sell pops. And she's absolutely right. F.Y.E got exclusive pops as well. You know what I'm saying? They got store exclusive pops, so let's get it, Chicky. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Mob.
I've never been in this store.
Oh, I see the pops already. They right there as soon as you walk in. 90% off. What? On the selected ones.
In the whip, make a play. Mob, M.O.B. my nigga. Ay, try my squad, that R.I.P. my nigga. On the way to 2K, we too deep, my nigga. Ay, Davey lead the way, and we gon' eat, my.
Hey, Mob, I gotta dig, man. Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see what it is? I gotta go digging though. Whoa, that look crazy. What's that in his hand? Hey, check in with y'all in a sec, bro.
My nigga ain't nobody vegans, what is beef, my nigga? Ayy, talking shit, see me in the street, my nigga. Ayy, I come from the gutter, shit ain't sweet, my nigga. Ayy, that driver motherfucker, shit ain't sweet, my nigga. Ayy, that hatin' ain't gon' get you nowhere. Don't look at my back, got some O's there. They want me to fall when I don't care. What's poppin'? I'm rockin' like Granny Jill.
We didn't really see nothing in GameStop, did we? Nah, GameStop was weak, bro. We about to go in Barnes & Noble though, cause Barnes & Noble got Miles Morales show. And I called and they had actually one left and I told dude to put it up for me, so I'm finna go snatch that up. And I had to check with a couple of homies and see if they wanted this one pop that I'm gonna show y'all when we get to the crib. I got the plug on it for the low, bro. I'm gonna show y'all the numbers on this joint. And then when I get home, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna show y'all what it is. And y'all let me know if y'all need it, you know what I'm saying? I got you, I'll shoot you a fair price. Cause what I seen them going for like $22 to $44 on the internet. But bro, Chicky Beezy found them for the low ski. I'ma definitely keep y'all in the loop, bro. We finna grab Miles real quick though. So, Mob, what it do, broski? Your main man, DaveyMcFlyy 2 Y's. Chicky Beezy with me, you know what I'm saying? We about to show y'all this haul we got, broski. Whole lot of pops. What you want to start off? We want to start off with a Hot Topic bag or this bag?
I want to go this one because that's the big reveal.
Yeah, this is the big one. Okay, the pop of the day is in this bag, so y'all stay tuned. Pull them out, Chicky. Let me see what we got.
Alrighty, we have Helga Pataki.
Hey. I'm gonna get some B-roll and let y'all see all the pops on the 360 upstairs in the Mob Museum, but for now, we just gonna run through them for y'all. So, bang, we got Helga.
Alright, we got Mike from the Snowball Dance to go with 11. Hold on, I'm gonna go get 11.
She gonna go get 11 so y'all can see. She got Mike to go with 11. I thought that was cool for her to have them both.
Got a little 11.
Hey, we're just gonna sit her on top of his head. See if she'll stand there. Uh-oh. Maybe not. She don't want to. Maybe we'll sit her in front somewhere. Sit still, 11.
Please.
Well, we'll sit him in the middle. Bang.
Wow.
So yeah. Got 11 and Mike. So now she got her little first set jumping. You know what I'm saying? She gonna get Arnold to go with Helga pretty soon here. And I know the light is giving a crazy glare on the boxes, so I'm gonna for sure take them out the boxes for y'all a little bit later. So, next pop.
We have Evil Cuphead.
Yes! Evil Cuphead look gangster, bro. This was, you know what I'm saying, this was mine. These two for Chicken, this for me. Ultimately, I told Chicken, you know what I'm saying, whenever I'm done with the pop game, she can have all my pops. I'm gonna end up giving them all to her eventually anyway, but yeah. Hot Topic had buy two, get one free. Got these two and threw in the Cuphead for the freebie. This Cuphead looks crazy, bro. The colors are nuts. I'm definitely gonna hit it with the UV blacklight flashlight, you know what I'm saying? Go UV Davey all on this pop when we go upstairs. So y'all can see the details, and I'm pretty sure he gonna light up and go crazy for us. So yeah, I was definitely excited about Evil Cuphead, broski, cause the colors, the paint job on it, pretty nuts. So
yeah, and by the way, I'm not gonna hog all the pops. I'm gonna give some to Rooster.
She gonna give some to Rooster, not them all. Not all of them.
No, mine.
Chicky got first deals. Rooster got first deals on my sneaker collection, and Chicky got first deals on the pop collection. So yeah, to finish off this haul, bam, showing what we found in F.Y.E. Chicken came through, she was the GOAT. She was like, you know, F.Y.E. or what is it? F.I.E. or F.Y.E.? Yeah.
F.Y.E.
F.Y.E. sell pops. F.Y.E. have F.Y.E. exclusive pops. This is a F.Y.E. exclusive. They had the Chung Lees in there too. It was like 2 different Chung Lees, but the boxes was beat up really, really bad. Yeah. And yeah, we got Sting and Lex Luger, bro. Like, growing up, these was two of my favorite wrestlers. Before the Attitude Era, yeah, bro, it was Sting, Lex Luger, and Hulk Hogan. Hulk Hogan #1, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, Bret Hart, Shawn Michaels too, the Heartbreak Kid, all them, you know what I'm saying? Before the Attitude Era, yeah, you going a little bit back with Sting, you know what I'm saying? But Dope Pops, F.Y.E. actually had a lot of these, bro. So if you're an old WWE fan, man, and you like wrestling, let me know. I will shoot back to the store and grab you one. I don't know how much it cost originally, but they got them on sale for $5. The rest of their pops are like on sale for 30% off because the store is closing, so you can get in there and find you a pop deal or steal, you know what I'm saying? My nose is running. I'm catching a cold, chick. And bang. Oh, it's only one more, alright? Yeah. Go ahead, let me get it, let me show me.
This one's the pop of the day, right?
That's pop of the day.
Pop of the day.
You take the show, I'll let you explain it because you saw the movie and everything, so you know what I'm saying. She finna take the show over.
Please. Miles Morales.
Yeah, boy. I got the delayed W on Miles.
Woo.
Take the show, chick.
Alright, so this one was the last one and it was in Barnes & Noble.
Yeah, we got the last one, broski. Yeah. Tell them a little something about Miles.
Alright.
No spoilers.
Okay, no spoilers, just his backstory. Miles Morales is a Dominican...
A Dominican Spider-Man?
Yes, Dominican Spider-Man, and the cape was from the first time he ever suited up, and he said he wanted to wear a cape, but Peter Parker said, "Oh no, Spider-Mans don't do capes."
Ah, so that's why the cape is significant with this spectacular pop right here, pop of the day. Y'all know I wanted to pop because it got on Air Jordan 1s right now. You gonna see in the 360, of course. Chicken broke down the cape for me, you know what I'm saying? He wanted to cape up. Peter had to let him know, had to put him on game like, hey bro, spiders don't do capes. That's tight, that's hot. I still ain't seen the movie yet. I planned on it. My fingers hurt from that drum roll on this marble countertop, so I'm finna turn the camera off and edit this video. Dang, and it's on the same, my little same finger with my toe up hand, but
oh no.
It is what it is, broski. Pop of the day right here, the Miles Morales Marvel Spider-Man pop. We also got Helga Pataki. We got Mike from the Snowball Dance. We got Evil Cuphead. And we got Sting and Lex Luger, broski. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all want more pop hunting vlogs. We're probably gonna do it anyway. This is real fun.
We don't care.
Yeah, this me and Chicky thing now, so yeah. More pop vlogs and reviews on the way, broski. On the mob. Y'all stay all the way up. From our family to yours. Peace.